This week we are making cardboard boxes out of old cardboard boxes or bits of card which I found. I don't like to buy new, or I like to sort of like recycle everything I possibly can. And the packaging I get stuff in, so I try and recycle it and make boxes so everything I make and goes out on the smaller majority stuff. I can make boxes and send them out back to the customers and feel a bit happier that it's been recycled, and hopefully you enjoy it. Please hit the like, subscribe and share and comment please, it's much appreciated. Thank you to subscribers I have got, thank you to any new subscribers I will get. Hopefully you enjoy. There's a little bit talking at end. It's just a nice little simple video this week. Hopefully you enjoy. It's something anybody can do if they want to send any gifts off to people or do any sort of business where you need to. It just cuts down that chucking of stuff away. Cheers. See you in a bit.
Ta-da! A little smaller one. A little bit smaller. That should be. How's that like that? Sweet, as you can see, the boxes have been cut from a blank piece of cardboard, and I've just scored them with backett knife, made some little tabs, and they've been glued and clipped. So take the clips off now, and solid little box. And there's your bottom and there's your top. A little bit wider, but it gives you that little bit of a lip. And that is a nice little box, which I've made these, and these are gonna handmade. So it's thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. Simple little thing, just make your own boxes, and that's all I do, just make them from a flat pack version, which just cut them out, then just glue them with just normal PVA glue, and that's pretty much it. A couple of clips, clip them together and let them go off overnight, and you got yourself a nice little box. Send some praises out for people. Like I say, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please comment. Thank you very much for the subscribers I do have. Thank you for anybody who does comment and like, share and everything. It is much appreciated. And thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.